Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can extend your songs in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found in a couple places. You can either go to create or you can go to library. We're going to go ahead and go to create. And it's the same idea in library. You'll see all of your songs listed, and on the right hand side of each song you're going to see these three little dots. So what we're going to do is I have a song here. We're going to go ahead and extend this song. So we're going to click on these three little dots, and then up at the top you're going to see remix edit. We're going to hover over that, and then we're going to extend. Now, once we hit extend, it's going to show up over here on the left-hand side. Actually, that was already in there before. Let's go ahead and try that again, just so that you can see for yourself. So hit extend. There you go. So that will pop up in there, and that tells us that we're ready to extend. And then the next thing we can do here is we can set where we want the extension from. So if you just want it to extend right from the end, then you can leave it as is. But if there's a specific point in the song that you want to extend it from, then you can just move that bar until it gets to the time that you want to extend it from. Once that's set, all you have to do is click the remix button. And now Suno is hard at work extending our song, and you'll see next to the song title, part 2. So that's an indication that this is the extension. So that's just working there for a moment. You could see the circle spinning around. That's telling us that it's still thinking about it. And then once you are ready to hit play, then you can see there that it's changed, but the number still hasn't shown up yet. That's because it's still working, but it's okay. You could still listen to it. So let's go ahead and just give this a quick listen.
I saw you standing in the rain tonight, your shadow glowing in the pale moonlight.
So there you go. So now that has extended our song. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the pieces together. Now there's a couple ways that you can do this. So first off, if we go to our original song, what we're going to want to do is the first way you can do this is you can use the editor. So if you have the Pro subscription, then you can use the editor, but otherwise what you could do is you can do this in the DAW of your choice, or you can even do it in something like CapCut or DaVinci. Any video editor would work as well. But if you want to use a free DAW, you might want to check out Audacity. It's free. You can download it and you can do this. So then what you can do is you download the track, and you're going to need to download the original, and you're also going to need to download the extension. And Suno will always give you a couple of options, so you want to listen to them and see which one you like the best. And then once you're ready, click on those three little dots, go to download, and you'll see here it's still thinking. There you go, it's done. So we can download that, and then the next step, we're going to need to bring it into Audacity or something of the sort, and we're going to need to tie it together. And that's really up to you to make sure that you connect it as tightly as possible. Try to make sure that it's there as snug as possible, so that way you don't get any pops or any clicks in between the two parts. But that's basically how you can do that. You download those two sections and then tie them together, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. Also, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link there in our link tree, you can get $50 to start a brand new account. And once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family, and you'll get $125 and they will get $50 each once they get started. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a fantastic bank. Comes highly recommended.